Hi everybody, Greg Davis here in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at a 17 Montauk that we just had arrive. Great fishing boat for this area. Offers a ton of room, fishing features, but still offers great seating for the family also. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. We'll start back here at the engine. Well, when Boston Whaler redesigned this boat in 2018, they were able to put a 115 on it, which greatly increases horsepower, fuel efficiency, being able to pull a tower, opened up a lot more availability for this boat. Has a great swim step here. This one does have the teak package, just a small teak step here, and in the front gives it a great look. You can notice how the boarding ladder is angled away from the engine. Safety, always on Boston Whaler's mind. We'll hop up inside and I'll give you a quick look at some of the features. Thanks. Hi, Greg Davis here, back on the 17 Montauk. We'll start up here at the bow and show you some of the features. Stainless steel chocks for your running line. You can see your navigation light goes in the front. As I said, this model is equipped more for the fishing side of things. Trolling motor, pre-wired for a trolling motor, 12-volt outlet. Love the bow cushion setup in this. It is split so you have easy access to your latches here. The front compartment is an anchor locker, drains overboard, gas assisted strut, all very nice stainless hardware. And in the back on this model of this right here, you have a fish box or a dry storage area. Has a plug in there if you wanted to use it for dry storage. You could fill it with ice for drinks. It is insulated and drains overboard. That closes back up. This boat is equipped with the fishing package, which includes the cooler here, the backrest, rod holders, place for pliers, place for your knife, 12-volt outlet here, compass. This is where your running lights would go. You can see part of this fishing package also is tackle storage, and then a recessed compartment for your fire extinguisher is really nice, keeps it out of the way. This one comes with a bimini, stainless steel, really nice hardware. On this model, we put a Garmin unit in it. Very nice chartography. Comes with the J&L audio system, Mercury gauge here, stainless steel steering wheel. This is the live well in this model, so they were able to put the live well separately under the seat. The fuel is in the floor now. This is a multi-position, so you can move it all the way forward and use it as a leaning post when you drive, or you can move it all the way back and use it as a seat. Underneath is a live well, which is a really nice blue lit. There's your overflow there. Very nicely done. This is a great feature for if you have people that want to go out riding. These seats right here actually come out right here, take the backrest out. So if you're fishing, you can take the seats out, gives you a lot more room. If you got people riding, gives them a great place to sit. Gas fill here, J&L speakers. You have your bilge system here. This one has the low rail settings. There's a couple of different rail settings, but this is the low rail. You can see on this side, this is where your battery switch and batteries for your trolling motor are. Your nav light is here, a great map pocket. Everything's finished off very nicely, easy to get to. If you'd like more information on this model or any model we have here, give us a call in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thanks.